I'm on my way to the immigration office. I'm going to try to extend my 60-day American visa for another 30 days to make it the full 90 that should be allowed. I'm going to wait until I get there to make the photocopies that I need, because I'm sure that the folks right outside are more experienced with exactly what they need to look like than I am. So hopefully everything goes smooth. Should be maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours based on the reviews that I've seen. So hopefully everything goes smoothly, and then I have my last 30 days all set up and don't need to worry about that anymore. Wish me luck. So I just got a grab taxi to Jardin de Thé Gelato and Dessert Cafe. It's right down the street from the immigration office, just a couple-minute walk, and the pricing is like half price, less than half price, in order to get the taxi there because it's not associated with the airport. And so I saw a tip online and it worked out. It was 95 baht instead of 200 baht for the taxi. So I'm just walking over to get my photocopies across the street from the immigration office, and then we'll see how it goes in immigration. Don't bother following the Google Maps walking directions to get across the street to the photocopy place either, because there is a crosswalk right across the street. Pretty nice place to make photocopies. Pretty surprised by this. I thought it was going to be just a little hole in the wall. Well, that was so quick. It took all of 1 minute. I paid 6 baht, so almost nothing, to get the 2 photocopies that I need. They knew exactly what it was that I needed. You can also get passport photos there if you need. I already have some, so I didn't go through that process, but I would definitely recommend coming to the Colonel. Super easy, right across the street from where you need to be for submitting your documents. Alright, I'm finally done. It wasn't hard, but it took 4 hours, which was a lot longer than I had read it might take online. I'm wondering if the more recent reviews were more during COVID times when there were fewer people here. But it really wasn't difficult. I literally saw a child do it. He looked like he was 11 or 12 years old. And really all you need to know is bring your passport, bring your visa, make sure your hotel has reported that you're staying there to the government. They can do it online. Mine had not yet done that, and so I had to call them and get them to do it. That didn't take too long, but everything else is here. You know, the services are available as far as photocopying, things like that. I would bring some small change just to pay for the photocopies. One was 6 baht, one was 4 baht. And I had to pay for the 30-day extension, which was 1900 baht, which is just under $52 at the current exchange rate. But I'm happy it's done. I get another month in Thailand, well worth 4 hours and $52. So now I'm gonna go find some food.